Hello and thank you for your interest in our complete and best-in-class inventory system and asset tracking solutions. We're proud to be ranked amongst the top 10 innovative inventory systems for 2019 and already nominated for 2020. In this video, we'll discuss the dashboard edit icon and other enhancements that will improve the day-to-day workflow of users. For easy access, the dashboard edit is set to the bottom right of the homepage. Previously, it was necessary for users to make upwards of 3 clicks before accessing the edit controls. With this update, users can quickly access multiple content controls, including font sizes of small, standard, or large, multiple panels, charts and graphs, recent transactions, and more. This enhancement offers greater flexibility in the completion of daily tasks. For more in-depth knowledge, users can watch a how-to video or click on the wiki icon to get step-by-step written instructions. ASAP Systems, driven by customer satisfaction, continues to further enhance the system to adapt to industry demands. The most notable enhancement is the default startup application. This configuration enables users to choose which of the 5 applications to set as the default homepage. This enhancement saves valuable time and enables users to focus on more pressing matters and other daily work tasks. We at ASAP Systems aim to provide our customers with the latest innovations and technologies while maintaining ease of use and flexibility. We constantly seek to update and enhance our features to accommodate our customers' needs and requirements. Stay tuned to our latest enhancements by having a more in-depth demonstration.